said I'd see a couple of these on the road in my lifetime. Damn, there's two of them. Shit. It's long. And there's another one over there in front of it. It's going to be backing up. Right beside him. Oof. That's a long thing. Wow. All right, we just passed into Mississippi. All right, we're at the border. Just gotta look for the sign. Zoom in a little bit if I can. And there we go. Here comes the sign on the right. At the rest area. It says, "Welcome to Texas. Drive friendly, the Texas way." Alright, now in Texas. Trucks from NASCAR going by. Must be heading, who knows where, west. Let's see what we got here. Eric Jones, number 20, whoever that is. Says I don't watch NASCAR anymore. It's Napa. Whoever drives that one, I don't know. Another Hendrix truck. Most of them have the Hendrix. I guess it is. I'm in Deming, New Mexico at a Walmart, Super Walmart, and the wind has picked up like crazy. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's also picking up the dust. If you look over there in the back, see how red that is? It's all dust. I'm going to be closing up here to keep the dust out. See up there, it's really dusty. See them blowing the stuff off the trees. So, going to be, oh, there goes, look at that big tumbleweed over there. See it? That's a big one. You got all kinds of campers. From something like that. Something like that. Everything in between. But you can see the light, see the dust. So I'm going to get in here, close up, because this dust is getting bad. The wind's picking up. It's not supposed to rain, it's just wind. It's